What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nas. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about ticker symbol TTOO, T2 Biosystem, currently at $3.16, and why I think this stock is going straight to $10 within a couple of weeks based on their new T2 technology, and they're capable of finding out what this new COVID variant is and help others companies to update and study on this COVID even a little further based on their technologies. This stock it has about 78% rating for investor advisors. Not only that, this company has about 6 ratings from brokerage to buy, which gives me a little bit more hope. So guys, before I start this video, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, click on that notification, because I make videos on stocks that has potentials and news that could definitely help you guys when it comes to observing this stock and where the stock could go up to. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't immediately buy a stock from hearing somebody. Do your own due diligence, then analyze the stock a little bit more on the chart, and once you see where it could lead up to, then go buy the stocks if you feel that you're 100% bullish on their technologies, on their products, and what they're capable of doing. So guys, this stock is definitely still cheap. It's still a penny stock. It's currently at $3.16. Past week they were up 51%. Past month they were up 130, and past 3 months they were up 161%. This company 52 weekly high is definitely $3.45. I feel like that could be a little bit more higher because this company is way too good to have their weekly high at that price. Because 5 years ago they were up to like $10 for a share. Yes, so I bought about 70 shares. Average cost about $3.32, and I was down $11, which is not a big concern because my total return was 31% up from losing 4%. That I'm very bullish, guys. Their market capital is 426 millions, and then if you look at their earnings, the graph looks more bullish than ever. If you look at the chart, if you really put a line towards their quarter earnings, it is up like this, and that kind of shows more potentials and more opportunity for them to get more cash flowing and get more revenue earnings. So guys, if you don't know what T2 Biosystem is, it's a biosystem industry which is they develop a proprietary technology platform. It offers the T2 magnetic resonance technology, which enables rapid detection of pathogens, biomarkers, and other abnormalities in the variant of unverified patient samples types. Its products includes T2 bacteria panel, T2 candida panels, and T210X instrument and T2MR technology. So guys, there's a couple of things that I really want to talk about, especially when it comes to their revenue. They're expected to be up about 7.8 million, including product revenue of 5.8 millions. Their Y growth of 155% to 274% up. Their FY20 revenue is seen at 18.1 million, which is 118+%, and they saw a lot of increased adoption of their T2DS instrument that was sold about 53 in 2020, including 47 in the US. Then there you could also see that the second half of the year showed meaningful improvement with their analyzed tests and utilization of their sepsis and their COVID test panels. The CEO, John Spurser, commented that their quarter four analyzed run rate of 86,000 and their utilization growth resulting about 265,000 that was sold in 2020. So guys, I want to talk about this article that was posted and on February 4, 2021. The T2 Biosystem, they just announced that the T2 source COVID-2 panel, a molecular diagnostic test that detects the source COVID-2, the virus that's responsible for the COVID-19 infection, is capable of detecting the Brazil P1 variant of the source COVID-2 virus, which was recently confirmed to be present in the United States. The T2 source COVID-2 panel, which has demonstrated clinically sensitivity of 95% to 100%, providing result under 2 hours. Utilizing an upper respiratory swab sample, the test runs on the company's FDA cleared and fully automated T2DS instrument, which is capable of performing 7 tests for simultaneously, then up to 60 samples per day. And so they also talk about the T2DS instrument that is capable of running the FDA cleared of their T2 bacteria, T2 candida panels. These panels are the only FDA cleared assays for the detection of the sepsis causing bacteria and fungal pathogens directly from whole blood in 3 to 5 hours without the need to wait for days for blood culture results. Providing quicker results, the panel enable therapy faster for their patients suspected of sepsis, often before the second dose of antimicrobial medicine is demonstrated, leading to better patient outcomes, improvements, and step worship and reduction in length of stay in the hospital. Their website, you could also scroll down to why the hospital trusts T2 technologies. It's 47% reduction in antifungal therapy. Then if you scroll down a little bit more, they also talk about 7 days reduction of median length of staying in the ICU. Then the positive result within 20 hours from the blood culture instead of waiting for 2 days or more. Then you could, they save $280 from the pharmacy cost per patient. That also shows a little bit of how good they are identifying an escalation and de-escalation opportunities in their patient test to T2 candida, and they show 100% of patients who tested positive receive appropriate therapy in less than 9 hours. There's a couple of companies that actually bought some shares, and I'm very bullish because these 3 companies are some of the top multi-billionaire companies, such as you got Vanguard Group, who bought, I believe, 5 million shares, I think, the beginning of September, and they took profit and currently holding about 604,000. Then you have Goldman Sachs, who bought in almost 5 million and did not even change one bit of their shares. So they're holding really into the company, and I feel like Goldman Sachs has opportunities to make so much money when this really pops. Then you have BlackRock Industry, last month bought about 2 million and they only took profit about 510. So they're holding so Goldman Sachs and amount of their shares for this company. So when you go to their page, there's also one thing that I want you guys to really focus on is their corporate presentation. You could see there's a couple of presentation they're highlighting in which is like their investment to like their T2 platform, their first-in-class DX, their large market, and their reimbursement. Then you have robust pipeline and execution. So if you scroll down, there's mostly gonna highlight some of the things they're presenting and capable of doing further in the future, as in like where they have multi-billionaire contract from the government to do their T2 pipelines. And you could also, when you scroll all the way in the bottom, you could also look at their financial summary of their earnings and their cash flows. Guys, I'm very excited about this company. It has great potential overall, and in fact, once they are able to get more funds from other companies, such as getting fund from Bardas, and then also I believe what else, Carbags and Barda is funding some of their T2 pipelines. This company is definitely going to be something great to invest on. I have 70 shares. Hope this could go up to $10 soon. I know they could do much better. This stock is near-term future. I would say maybe $100 a share, but for short terms, I feel like they could reach that $10. So if you guys enjoyed this video, guys, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click that notification. It's your boy Naz, and I'm signing off. Okay,